Compo is a cast mixture composed of various elements that creates a resin-like material. Use of a resin material dates back to the ancient Egyptians. They gathered clay that was enriched with minerals deposited by the Nile River. We first mixed the Compo up to create a large batch of individual patties. Then we re-steam the Compo patties in the morning time so that they're softened and ready for casting. And after the Compo designs are cast, they begin curing on dry racks while more Compo patties await their casting. The Compo ornaments are then cut from their backers by hand and trimmed to feature the final product that we have made to your order. Brockwell Incorporated offers over 10,000 Compo ornament and molding designs, and many of them are over 100 years old and come from master wood carvings. When the focus of your project is centered on achieving elegance, then Compo is the recommended material. The finished product has an extremely high level of detail